Messenger video call problem. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can solve the Messenger video call problem, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you're trying to place a video call on Messenger but for some reason you aren't being able to do so, there is a reason why this is happening and there is a way to fix it. So first of all, if you're using an Android phone, you have to allow the permissions for camera and microphone for the Messenger app. Long press the Messenger app icon and tap the I button. That will take you to the app information page here. Once you are here on this page, you simply want to scroll and then go to storage first and make sure to clear the cache files. Then just come back. After you do this process, you want to simply go to the option called permissions. From permissions, go to camera and set this to allow. Then go to microphone and set this to allow. Now because during a video call, the Messenger app needs your camera and microphone to interact with the other person. If Messenger app is not allowed to use those, you will not be able to place video calls. So as a result, this is going to happen. So you want to make sure you enable the permissions from your settings, and after you have done that, you will be able to solve it. And that's all it takes to solve the Messenger video call problem. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.